Hey there! Big thanks to all our new subscribers, and if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button to stay in the loop. Why are these Toyota RAV4 accessories flying off Amazon? Let's check out the best upgrades for your ride. Built for style, comfort, and utility. Product name, link, and price are all in the description below. Hood Protector Bug Deflector for Toyota RAV4 2019-2025. Dashboard cover mat, Toyota RAV4 2019-2025. Passenger storage organizer. Mat tray Toyota RAV4 2019-2024.
Just make sure it's smooth in the back. Wow. I love it. Buy this for your RAV4. This is awesome.
Auto clover, tape-on rain guards, window visors, 6-piece set. Windshield sunshade for Toyota RAV4 accessories, 2019-2025. Weller car phone holder for Toyota RAV4 2019-2025. JDM car driver's drawer box. Compatible with Toyota RAV4 accessories, 2019-2025. Car cover custom fit for Toyota RAV4, 1996-2025. Center console organizer, compatible with Toyota RAV4, 2019-2025. Rear view mirror. Interior rear view mirror. Kit compatible with Toyota RAV4.
Shijia anti-glare interior rear view mirror. Give you safe and meticulous care when driving at night. When there is strong light behind the vehicle hitting the interior rear view mirror. Strong light reflection in rear view mirror. Turn on the anti-glare function of the rear view mirror at night. Darken the reflection of light. Does not dazzle the driver. This increases the safety and comfort of night driving.
Hey there! Got a suggestion for my next video? Drop it in the comments. Your ideas drive this channel.
Stay updated on Amazon's best automotive products and viral finds. Click subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss out on our latest video.